Greetings, I'm Emre Ata. Binance announced farming event about Santos Token, Brazilian team Santos Token. Now in this video, I want to show you how to get in farming times, farming period, free Santos Token. 4 days later, Binance will list Santos Token. By the way, if you don't have a Binance account, you can enter our website cryptocurrencyusa.net and you see information about cryptocurrencies here. You can follow us on Telegram or Google News. Now, if you don't have Binance account, you can click this banner. In this way, you can get lifetime 120% commission kickback code lifetime from Binance. Click this. Select your country, for example, Canada, and confirm. You must see this code here. In this way, you can get here, my friends. In this way, you can get 20% commission kickback code. Yes. Add your you should add your information and click create account. Now we are in Binance. Firstly, we need complete KYC Pro, and later how to deposit money on Binance. You can come here on this page. You can select your currency, USD, dollar or euro. You can select deposit system, credit or debit card, for example. Now, for farming Santos token, we need BNB token, BNB coin. I'm sorry. Select BNB. For example, 2,000 USA dollar. With 2,000 USA dollar, we get only 3.3 BNB. Click continue, approve, and add your numbers, add your credit card number, and continue again, and you complete your deposit. Now we have 3.3 BNB. We need to go launchpad page, come trade. You see, it's trade. Click fan token. There is Santos. 4 days later, we have 4 days. 4 days later, Santos will list on Binance. Now, how to stake farming Santos token every hour, per hour. Click go launchpool. This is launchpool area. This event different. Lazio and Porto different, but this event different. 10 hours later, farming will start. Now, how to farm, how to earn per hour Porto, Santos token. Click stake, and this system check your all BNBs on your spot account. If you want add all, click max and your BNB number here and click stake. Yes, successful. You see, 10 hours later, farming started, and per hour I can earn Santos token in here. When I want, I can click claim and I can get my Santos token to my spot account. And this is important. Please note that. When I want, I can redeem my all BNBs back to my account like this. I will click redeem. This is my BNBs on farming on Santos token. I click max and I click redeem. Now, my all BNBs turn back to my spot account. It's so easy. This system not looking like Lazio or Porto system. You don't need hold 10 days or 7 days BNB on your account. Just enter and stake and start farming. 10 hours later. And 4 days later, you can start trade, buy and sell Santos token on Binance. Everything so easy. You see. All information here. Farming period. Yes, friends, if you need more information about cryptocurrencies, you should visit our website every day, one time. Best cryptocurrencies, informations, roadmaps, future, and trends. And don't forget this, if you are a United States citizen, you must use Binance US, my friends, not Binance Global. See you later in another video. Emre Ata. Wish you a good day.